Hey, y'all close the box, man. You're creeping in here.
Come on, it's wicked early.
Not a morning person, eh, Sprinkles?
Hey, I'm not Sprinkles. He is.
Yo, you got a problem with Sprinkles?
Hey, see you guys around.
Later, Barry.
Man, those Boston creams don't last long, do they?
Sounds like someone's a little jelly.
Hey, don't worry, kid. Somebody'll pick you.
Hey, you think someone will pick me?
I'm not so sure about that one, Maple Bar.
Why not? A lot of people like maple, I'll have you know.
A lot of people like shoes. That doesn't mean that leather should be a donut flavor. Oh!
Hey, all right! Congrats, kid. Not sure where they're taking you, but it's gotta be better than this crowded box that reeks of maple.
Yeah, that's probably...
Holy baker's dozen!
I want back in the box! I want back in the box!
Well, what do you have to say about maple bars now,
Oh, listen, I'm sorry. You mind rubbing a little of your maple icing on me, you know, as a favor?
You call that an apology? Afraid you'll have to do better than that.
Yeah, I deserve that.
Oh, now this is what I'm talking about. Finally, some fresh air.
Seriously, whoever farted in there is such a wiener.
Hey, Steve, how's the wife and kids?
You know, still expensive.
Frank, we putting together a softball team this year or what?
Yeah, man, I just have to... Whoa, hey! Bro, not cool. Put me down.
Frank, what's going on over there?
I don't know, man. Hey, I'm not an airplane. Put me down.
Frank?
I just can't believe some people...
Frank, are you okay, buddy?
Ow!
Oh my goodness, that does not look comfy at all.
Frank, how you doing? Say something.
I'm okay. I'm just... Help me!
Oh, my face! My face!
Oh my goodness, I can stop.
Kid, have a chili dog on the house.
If we split up, no one gets Homer.
Hot dog! Life is tasting pretty good. Oh, yeah. So put some mustard on my roll, 'cause you're back into my soul. I still don't remember you, man.
Yeah, that's the stuff.
Hey, bud, you get fuzzier since last week? Nah, just pawing your leg.
Good to see you, Steve. Wow, would you look at this weather?
I know. Pretty dandy, right?
You ain't lying.
Hey, that cloud kind of looks like a flower, don't you think?
You think everything looks like a flower?
That's how I choose to live my life. When I look in the mirror, do I see a weed? No, sir, I do not.
That one kind of looks like a car.
That one looks like a cloud. And that looks like a hand. Oh, wait! It is a hand!
Whoa, what incarnation? Hey!
Yo, what the pluck, dude?
You okay up there, bud? Need some water or anything?
Guys!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, are you okay there?
I don't feel so good.
Oh, my neck!
what a beautiful day it is out today. I think I'm